your hands in Namaskar Mudra. Keep your back straight. Keep your palms nicely pressed. We begin with the prayer. Chant with me, saying the vibrations of the prayer. Yogena chitta padena vasa malam sharirasya chavayatena yopakatam pravaram munina patanchalam pranjaliravatosmi shanti om sahana bhavatu सहना सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति. Now visualize your body and be surrounded by three protective layers. Outer protective layer consisting of 6 radiators protecting you from 6 directions. Visualize a peacock in front of you, an elephant at the back, a tiger on the right, a lion on the left, an eagle above you, and a black tortoise under you. The middle layer of protection comes from a ring of fire with several balls of fire around. Draw the energy from this fire to heal your body and mind. The third layer of protection comes from the subtle energy of chanting. Visualize the location of the chakra, the number of petals in the lotus and the color of the lotus as I mentioned, and each time increase the pitch or the volume of your omkar. Bring attention to the Mooladhara chakra, the cervix or the anal region. Visualize a petal lotus, the color is red. Breathe in. Bring your attention to the Swadhisthana chakra, the spinal terminus of the tailbone. A 6-petal lotus, the color is orange. Breathe in. Bring your attention to the Manipur chakra behind your navel center. Visualize a 10-petal lotus, the color is yellow. Bring your attention to the Anahat chakra, your heart center. A 10-petal lotus, the color is green. Breathe in. Bring your attention to the Vishuddhi chakra, your throat pit. Visualize a 16-petal lotus, the color is blue. Breathe in. Bring your attention to the Ajna chakra, eyebrow center. Visualize a 2-petal lotus, the color is indigo. Breathe in. And finally, bring your attention to the Sahasrara chakra, the crown of your head. Visualize a 1,000-petal lotus, the color is white. Omkar as loudly as you can. Breathe in. Okay. Do palming 3 times. And release. Relax. Stretch it. Keep your feet together. Cross your feet at the ankle joint. Palm को cross कर लीजिए. take this, just twist the lower part of your body to your right and to your left. Right. You can do the same practice while lying down also, so that doesn't strain your knees. Right, left. Give a gentle squeeze to the abdomen, chest, twist. Take your toes as close to the floor. Last 2 rounds, complete on both the sides. Gradually. Practice ankle rotation. Try to take both your feet together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Reverse. 7, 6, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, and now fold your right leg here. Keep your left leg straight. See if you can catch your left big toe. If you cannot catch any part of the leg, catch your ankle joint, your shin, or little bit just below the knee. Stretch your right hand up. Give lateral bend. चंद्रिकांती आपका ऑडियो बंद करो. 2 माइक्रोफोन बंद करो. 2 3 down. Last 2 rounds. 4. Now, the last round we're going to maintain. Try to bring your left elbow a little bit closer to the floor. See like this. Stretch your right hand. Bring your left elbow closer to the floor. Feel the stretch on the right side. This practice is for your spine and for your back muscles. Really. Okay. Stretch your right leg. See if you can catch your right big toe. If you cannot, don't worry. Just catch any part of the leg. Keep your knee down. Stretch your left hand. Give lateral bend. It's important to give a lateral stretch to the side of your body. Stretches your obliques nicely. 2. You can practice slightly like an exercise. Down. Breathe in, bring out. Bend nicely. Last 2 rounds. 4. Now, when you practice the last round, try to bring your right elbow close to the floor. Stretch. And try to bring the elbow closer to the floor. Getting more squeeze to the abdomen. Stretch on the left side. Release. And now, those of you got lower back pain, we'll just do a gentle forwarding. Others, everybody, press your palms on your knees. Breathe in, stretch forward. Stretch forward. Feel the stretch to your middle back and the lower back. Give pressure to the lower abdomen. Stomach. 2 more rounds. See that you can go down a little more if you have no back pain. Otherwise, just do a gentle forward, giving a little pressure to the lower abdomen. Breathe in, stretch forward. So stretch to the lower back. Come up. One last time. See if you can go down a little more, press your knees down. Stretch forward. Just maintain slightly longer. Breathing normal in the final pose. Check. Release. Those of you got knee, जिनको घुटनों में दर्द है, keep your legs straight like this. And we're going to practice Purvottanasana. I'll just show one round. They can continue. Others will do a slight variation. Raise your hips up. Keep your hands by the side. And just stretch your toes and bend back. Others, those of you got no knee pain, fold your left leg like this. Ardha Virasana. When you fold your leg like this, Ardha Virasana. And now raise your hips up. Stretch to your left thigh. Down. 2 more rounds. जिनको घुटनों में दर्द है, दोनों पांव एक साथ मिला के raise your hips up. First, fold your left leg in Ardha Virasana. Raise your hips up. Feel the pressure at the lower back. One last time. Up. Down. Change. Fold right leg. Repeat the practice. Others can practice 2 more rounds. Feet together. पाँव मिला के रखेंगे. Be careful. This practice strains your knees. Raise your hips up. Stretch your left leg straight. Down. 2. One last time. 3. Release. Just relax. Keep your palms on each other, slight gap between your palms. Start breathing in, stretch your arms out. Nice. Expand your chest. And breathing out gently, bring your hands back to the starting pose. Let it be as slow as you can make it. Start breathing in, expand your chest. Close your eyes if you can. Shoulder blades at the back come closer. Release all the stiffness from your upper back, neck, your shoe. 3 more rounds. Round करेंगे. 3. Last 2 rounds. Try to keep your elbows parallel to the floor. That's when your chest will get nicely expanded. Last time. हाथ को ढीला नहीं रखना है. Keep firm. Release. Stretch your right hand. Place the right palm on your left ear. Gently bend your head to your right side. Thinking for a few breaths. Release. With your left palm, close your right ear. Give a gently bend to your left side. Release. and relax. Please lie on your abdomen. पेट के बल ले जाइए. Spread your legs. Cup your palms under your chin. Just relax. A few seconds. Just relax. Keep your devices in a music mode. अपने ऑडियो को बंद कर लीजिए. Just walk your elbows in front. जितना हाथ को आगे, like you're walking with your elbows, your hands in front. Then gently take your elbows closer to your chest. This practice is to not muscles around the neck, the upper back, your shoulder. Shoulder. जितना हाथ को आगे. Walk your hands in front. Gently take your hands into your chest. 3 more rounds. Front and back is 1 round. Change. Walk your hands as close to your chest as possible. Maybe slightly difficult, but try to bring them a little closer to your chest. Move your hands in front of you as though walking with your hands. Complete your 5 rounds. And once you've done the practice, release your hands and just relax.
हमें गए
चंद्रिकांटी आपका ऑडियो बंद करो. आपका ऑडियो चालू है, बंद करो पहले.
हेलो बेटी जी.
ऑडियो बंद करो. Keep your hands by the side of your body. Gently, as you breathe in, raise your head up, legs up, hands up. Head up, legs up, hands up. Gently down. Practice 4 more rounds. Head up, legs up, hands up. Down. 3. Down. Last 2 rounds on your own. See if you can maintain 1 or 2 breaths longer. Head up, legs up, hands up. Release your practice and just relax. Keep your chin down. Insert your hands under your thighs. Now keep your chin down throughout the practice. Take your right leg up. Chest down. Left leg. Down. See if you can practice with both the legs up together. Purna Shasana, full locust pose. Down. Second round. Right leg. Change. Left leg. Down. Together. Both the legs up. Down. Last round. Right leg. Change. Left leg. Down. Both the legs up. Release. Release your hands from under your thighs. Just relax. We're going to practice Purna Bhujanga. Try to keep your feet together, toes relaxed. Keep your palms by the side of your chest. Start breathing in, press your palms, come up, raise your body up from the navel. Look up. And when you want to release, start bending in your elbows, breathing out. Continue the practice. Close your eyes if you can. Maintain as per your capacity. This practice is to strengthen your lower back. Continue the practice. Practice 2-3 more rounds. Strengthen your lower back. Practice. Last round, let's complete the practice. Relax. Now, those of you got knee pain, you can repeat any of the practices we have just done. Others. We'll do 2 practices. Keep your forearms in front of you, elbows to your fingertips. घुटनों दर्द है तो नहीं करना है. Please remember. Now breathe in, breathing out, fold your shoulders. Bring your feet together, lower your feet towards your hips. Let pressure to the back of your thighs, your abdomen, and then hold. Hold. You may get a little stretch to your hamstring muscles. Hold. Stretch. Hold. Stretch. घुटनों में दर्द है नहीं करें. Knee pain, do not practice. Hold. Stretch. One last round. Hold. Just maintain 1 or 2 minutes. Now bring your knees closer. Feet together, knees together. We'll practice only 5 rounds. Same practice. Hold. Stretch. 2. Stretch. Feel the pressure in the abdomen, the lower back. 3. Stretch. 4. Down. Last time. 5. Release. Please turn to lie on your back. पीठ के बल लेट जाइए. Lie on your back. Just relax. Relax in Shavasana for a few seconds and then we'll do our practice. Just relax. Close your eyes. Keep comfortable distance between your legs. Practice 3 rounds of Tadasana together. Hands by the side of your body. Start breathing in. Stretch your hands behind. Stretch your toes in a forward direction. Malamami, lie on your back and practice. Just stretch your abdominal muscles. One of the best practices to prevent arthritis, joint pain. Feel the stretch from your toes to your hips. Keep your breathing out. Gently. Release. Second round. Start breathing in. Stretch your hands behind. Lock your fingers.
காது கேட்கல கொஞ்சம் கத்தி சொல்லு.
Okay, release. One last time. Start breathing in. Stretch your hands behind. Keep your palms facing the floor. Little fingers touching each other. Gently release your hands. Keep distance between your feet and just relax for some time. Stretch your hands in line with your shoulders. Stretch your hands in line with your shoulders. Stretch your legs straight. Place your right foot on your left knee. Right foot on left knee. Place your left hand outside your right knee. Left hand outside your right knee. Now breathe in Breathing out, gently bend your right knee to your left side. Keep your left leg straight. Turn your face right side. So come to the center. We're going to practice 2 more rounds. Same. Gently take your right knee to your left side. Right knee to your left side. Keep your left leg straight. Try to bring your right knee a little closer to the floor. Turn your face to your right. Center. One last time. Gently take your right knee to your left. Center. Complete your practice. Take your time. Complete your practice. Release right leg. Just wait for a few breaths. We're going to practice 3 rounds with the left leg. Gently. Place your left on your right knee. You can keep your hands in line with your shoulders or by the side of your body, slightly away from your body, so that they don't come in the way of your knee. Place your right hand outside your left knee. Breathe in, breathing out. Gently bend your left knee to your right side. Come to the center. Repeat 2 more rounds. Left knee to your right side. Center. One last time. Left to your right side. Complete your 3 rounds. Take your time. Come to the center. Release left leg. Release your hands. Relax. Hold your legs in the knee. Keep your soles touching each other. पाँव के तलवे मिला लीजिए. Soles touching each other. Try to place your knees on your, palms on your knees. Stretch your hands. Place your palms on your knees. Open up your pelvic joints. Feel a gentle pressure to the lower back. Close your eyes. We're practicing Bhadrasana or Konasana in a lying down pose. Just relax. Relax your lower back. Now slowly stretch your hands behind. Practicing Tadasana. Stretch your hands behind. Try to lower your knees toward the floor. Keep your soles touching each other. पाँव के तलवे मिले हुए. Stretch your hands behind. Gently bring your hands back to the side of the body. One more time. We'll repeat the practice of Tadasana. Stretch your hands behind. Raise your chest closer to your chin. Lock your throat if you can. Feel the stretch to your lower back. Bring your hands by the side of your body. Just wait for a few seconds. Now keep your palms by the side of your body, palms facing the floor. Gently raise your hips up. It's practicing like Setu Bandhasana. Raise your hips up. Down. One more time. Raise your hips up. Stretch your hands behind. Down. One last time. One more time. Raise your hips up. Keep your soles touching each other. Release. Gently bring your hips down. Your legs. Release your hands. Just relax. And now practice. Whenever you're ready, up 2 seconds of relaxation. Practice leg raises with one leg or both the legs. Half hips ke niche. Those of you got lower back pain or abdominal pain, practice only with one leg. Complete your practice. Take time. Stretch your legs, just relax. Feel the aftereffect of the practice on the lower part of your body. Turn to one side. Take the support of your hands. Gently sit up. Sit in any comfortable pose. You can sit on a chair, sit in Vajrasana, Sukhasana, or Padmasana. Keep your hands on your knees, close your eyes, back straight. We practice Kapalabhati, a cleansing technique. You cleanse your body through your breath. Take a deep breath in, stop. Stop your practice. Keep your eyes closed. Wait for your breathing to become normal. We'll practice Anulom Vilom Pranayam. We'll repeat the practice of yesterday. Close your right nostril. First two fingers at the eyebrow set. Place them very gently. Now breathe in through left. Close left nostril with your ring finger. Close both the nostrils. Chin lock, abdominal lock, null lock. Your breath remains in the middle part of your body. You've closed all the openings, the outlets. Gently raise your head fully upward. Open right nostril, breathe out. Breathe in through right. Close both the nostrils, chin lock, abdominal lock, anal lock. Raise your head upward. Open left nostril, breathe out. Just complete one. Breathe in through left, close both the nostrils, Jalandhar Bandh, chin lock, Uddiyana Bandh is abdominal lock, Moola Bandh is anal lock. Raise your head upward, open right, breathe out. Breathe in through right, close right nostril, chin lock, abdominal lock, anal lock. Head up, open left, breathe out. Practice 3 more rounds. Try to hold your breath the longest. श्वास सबसे ज्यादा रोक के रखना है, उससे थोड़ा कम श्वास छोड़ना और सबसे कम श्वास. Breathing in should be the lead. Complete your practice. We'll practice, complete your practice, and then we'll do your breathing. Keep your hands in chin. Tip of your thumb and finger together. Place them on your knees. Keep attention to the abdominal region, to your navel region. Breathe in, and as you're going to breathe out, you're going to chant the mantra, the sound Aka. Breathe in. Breathe in. Breathe in. Breathe in. Last one. Breathe in. Now for other three fingers. Continue to keep the tip of your thumb and index finger together. Hold your other three fingers. Keep attention to your chest. We're going to chant the sound O, Ukar. Take a deep breath in. O. Breathe in. O. 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 Last one. O. Now place your thumb at the base of your ringer. Fold your forefinger. अंगूठे को रिंग फिंगर के बेस पे रखते हुए fold your forefinger. We're going to chant the mantra Makar like Bhramari Pranayam. Relax, brain your head with this practice. Take a deep breath in. Last one. Gently open your eyes. Lie on your back for Shavasana. Keep comfortable distance between your legs. Keep your hands by the side of your body, palms facing the sky. Just close your eyes and mentally scan your body from your toes to the top of your head, from the top of your head to the tips of your toes. Your body is completely loose and relaxed. If you feel any discomfort, any pain, take your mind to that part of your body. Visualize that part and relax. Relax your right leg. Relax your left. Relax your right heel, your left. As you slowly breathe out, feel all the tension, the tiredness, the discomfort drain out your leg. Relax your right hand. Relax your right shoulder. Relax your left hand, the left shoulder. Relax your abdomen, chest, your throat. Relax your face muscles, but keeping a gentle smile on your face. चेहरे को एकदम रिलैक्स करो. Eyes are gently closed. Relax your forehead. Relax the top of your head. Relax the back of your head. Relax the back of your neck. The upper back. Middle back. Relax the lower back. The right hip. The left hip. The back of your right leg. The back of your leg. Mentally scan your body. Visualize the body in one place, from the toes to the top of your head, from the top of your head to the tips of your head. पूरे शरीर को मन में. And now shift your attention from your body to your breath. Try not to move your body. Become aware of each and every breath and repeat in your mind with each breathing that you're energizing your mind. With each breathing out, you're purifying your body, you're purifying your mind. With each breathing in, let every cell of your body get energized. Try not to get involved in your thoughts. Keep bringing your mind to your breathing, the other tensions you're losing. You will develop greater clarity of thought. There will be less clutter. Keep awareness on the incoming, outgoing breath. Become aware of your body. Do not open your eyes. Gently move your toes, move your legs, your fingers, your hands. Stretch your hands behind. Practice this 2-3 times. Stretch relaxing in yoga. It prevents injuries. Turn to one side and gently sit up. Blend the class with the Shanti path. Chant with me or say the vibrations of the prayer. Hands in Namaskar Mudra. Asata Satgamaya Samasoma Dukirgamaya Nityorma Amritam Gamaya Darisham Satir Bhavatu Sarvesham Shantir Bhavatu Sarvesham Purnam Bhavatu Sarvesham Mangalam Bhavatu Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu Om Trayambakam Yajamhe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanat Mrityormakshiyamamrita Shanti Swami. And we'll have a 1 week break for Diwali. I'll see you all on next Monday. Wish you all a very happy, safe Deepavali. एक हफ्ते की छुट्टी. Monday, Wednesday, Thursday. I'll go next Monday. I'll put it in the group.
Happy
Bye.
Diwali, Chitra.
Bye.
Happy Diwali, Chitra ma'am. See you.
Bye. Bye. See you all. I'll put it in the group. Bye.
Bye. Happy Diwali,
Bye.
ma'am.
Bye. Bye.